Okay, what is up, you guys? Long time no talk. I think the last time somebody called me out on this, it was one of Tyler's friends, said it had been 6 months since I had posted a video. A lot of changes have happened in my life since the last time you guys saw me. And yeah, so I don't know if I can fully update you on everything in one video, but there's a major change, which is right next to me, that I will show you guys. This is Zero. He is now almost 4 months old. We have had him for 2 months now, and he is a Dalmatian, as I'm sure you can tell. And yeah, so we kind of got him on a whim a couple of months ago, and he has made our life complete chaos, but I love every second of it. So that is one major life change, is that we are living the puppy life right now. Big change number 2, which is one of the reasons that I'm making this video, because you guys are gonna see it in this video. We bought a house! Ah, stop, cue the cheering noise. So, we bought a house, and it will eventually be a Airbnb, but we are moving to it for up to the next year. We'll be living there and making changes to the property, and I'm really, really excited to do that. So it is actually in northern Michigan, which it's always been like a dream. If you're from Michigan, at least from the lower half, it's like a dream to have a cabin up north kind of a thing. It's like a thing that most people's friends' parents have, but my family never had, so I'm very, very, very excited about it. But we are slowly moving because we have about 2 months left in our lease in Grand Rapids, so we're doing a slow moving process. So today is Wednesday, October 5th, and I'm gonna be up there with Tyler until Saturday morning. So we're moving some stuff up there. We're gonna take a trip to Mackinac with Zero, so I'm really excited for that, and we're gonna bring you guys along. But this is me coming in to intro the video and apologize for it being so long, and just give you a few little updates of our life, and I'm sure I'll be updating you as this video goes on as well. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Slept our first night in the house on an air mattress in the living room because we have not moved our bed up here yet. Oh my gosh, what is going on with my hair? Not that it matters, I didn't get ready today anyways. But we are leaving Zero in his crate in this house for the first time. If I'm being completely honest, he's almost 4 months and he doesn't do super well in the crate. We've been crate training him, but both of us work from home, so it's rare that like there's a situation where he needs to go in his crate. So I'm usually putting him in his crate just to train him, and then he screams while I'm like working, which makes me want to cry. But I know that it needs to be done, so he's in his crate right now. I literally think I can hear him. Yeah, I can definitely hear him. So yeah, we're gonna go get flooring samples. We're also gonna look at a washer and dryer. This came with the hookups, but not the washer and dryer. Yeah.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Can I get a grande iced toasted vanilla oat milk shaken espresso? Can I add the salted cream cold foam on top of that? And then can I do the iced apple crisp oat milk macchiato grande as well with the cold foam on top as well?
Another day, another Starbucks.
Does that make me brew?
Yeah, you can be Brew and I'm Anna. But Brew's a U of M fan.
Ah, what a bitch.
Yeah, I know, how disappointing. We're big fans of Brew and Anna, but that's just like kind of a deal breaker. I forgot to film a bunch in there. So we got paint samples for the walls so I can see what they look like during the day. I have like mostly charcoals and blacks, and I got an emerald and a navy just to kind of see, and then white because there is a difference in whites. And then a book. That, and then, so there's some tile in front of our fireplace that needs to be replaced because there's a few that are shattered. So I got this sample to put in front of the fireplace to see how it looks. And then they don't do vinyl plank flooring samples anymore for some reason. You have to like order them online. So we just bought a box of it and we're gonna lay it out, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the house when we lay it out and decide if that's one we wanna get. It's a more expensive version of the flooring, but it comes with like the underlayment. It has the highest scratch resistance, and we're installing it ourselves. So I'm a little more okay with spending a little more because we're installing it ourselves and we're not paying for installation. So we will see what it looks like. Good morning! We are now heading home from our house. We're going back to Grand Rapids. This weekend was really just about coming up here to get some flooring samples and bring up a load of stuff because we're trying to make the U-Haul trip as small as possible. So we are heading home. Tyler is actually going to the state game, and I am gonna go celebrate my brother's birthday tonight. So I may bring you guys along for that, but I'm gonna go home and have him run around with my parents' dogs to wear him out for the day, and then I'm gonna go celebrate my brother's birthday tonight. He turned 27 on Thursday, so it should be exciting. Yeah, this was long. Hopefully this vlog's not like insanely long. I'll probably cut a bunch out.